Is this yours?
He knew he's not mine. Is it yours?
He was by the air conditioner. Hey, Heath.
Yeah.
Is this yours?
What's that? No, it is not.
Hey, is this yours? It can be. Hey, is this yours?
It's not mine.
Hey, Jim, is this yours?
What's that?
Is this yours?
I saw one just like it at my...
By the air conditioner?
No, walking across my...
Hey, Laurel, is this yours? You want to boop his nose?
I know, it'll bite
He
you.
might bite you. Hey, is this yours?
No. Is it a stuffing one?
No, it's a red ear slider.
I don't think he's gonna go in. I think he's too scared. There we go.
Oh, really?